Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the Flask extension flask.ext.session has been deprecated, and it's recommended to use the Flask_Session extension instead. However, I'll provide you with a tutorial using the Flask_Session extension, assuming it is still the relevant and up-to-date choice for handling sessions in Flask as of your current date in 2023. Make sure to check the Flask documentation and the Flask Session extension documentation for any updates beyond my last knowledge update. First, install the Flask Session extension using pip. In your Flask application, import the required modules. Create a Flask application and configure the session extension. For example, replace your underscore prefix with your preferred session key prefix. Now, you can use the session object to store and retrieve data in your routes. For example, in this example, the index route checks if the username key is in the session. If it is, it assumes the user is logged in. The login route sets the username in the session, and the logout route removes it. Run your Flask application. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser, and you should see the login and logout functionality in action. This basic example demonstrates how to use the Flask Session extension for handling sessions in a Flask application. Customize it based on your specific requirements. Remember to consult the official Flask documentation and Flask Session extension documentation for any updates or changes that may have occurred after my last knowledge update in January 2022. ChatGPT.